When organizations face big problems, leaders usually look at reports, dashboards, and consultants. All of these are useful. But sometimes, the people who understand the problem best are already inside the organization. They are the frontline employees who deal with customers, processes, and systems every single day. Frontline workers are often the first to notice what isn't working. They know where time is wasted, where customers get frustrated, and where teams struggle to deliver results. They also know which changes make work easier and which ones create more problems. Their insights are based on daily experience, not assumptions. Many transformation initiatives fail because employees are informed about change, but they're not involved in creating it. When people are included early, they don't just support change, they improve it. Employee-driven innovation often leads to practical, low-cost solutions that can be implemented quickly and scaled across the organization. The first step is simple. Ask frontline employees the right questions. Instead of asking whether they're satisfied at work, ask what slows them down, what they would change, and what prevents them from doing their best work. The goal is to understand their everyday challenges. The second and third steps are to identify patterns and prioritize problems. If 50 employees mention the same issue, it deserves attention. Focus on problems that affect customers, productivity, quality, or employee experience. Not every problem needs to be solved immediately, but the important ones shouldn't be ignored. The fourth step is to involve employees in designing solutions. The people who understand the problem often have practical ideas to solve it. A warehouse employee may suggest a better process. A customer support executive may identify unnecessary approvals. Small improvements can create significant business impact over time. The fifth step is to test solutions on a small scale. You don't have to transform the entire organization at once. Run a pilot project. Measure the results. Learn what works and what doesn't. Small experiments reduce risk and build confidence before larger changes are introduced. The sixth step is to share results and scale successful ideas. Just as important, recognize the people who contributed them. When employees see their ideas turning into action, trust grows. They become more willing to identify problems and contribute solutions in the future. We've seen this approach work across industries. Retail teams improve customer experiences. Manufacturing workers reduce process delays. Service teams simplify approvals and documentation. In many cases, the solution isn't expensive technology. It's listening to the people who do the work every day. The next time your organization faces a difficult challenge, don't ask only what leadership thinks. Ask what your frontline employees know. The best ideas don't always come from the boardroom. Sometimes they come from the people closest to the work. The organizations that listen well are often the ones that improve the fastest.